Hey folks, I have Parth from Dassana here with me today. They have brought generative AI to the world of cloud security, and he's built this entire platform on Snowflake. Parth, how are you?
I'm doing good. How are you?
Doing well. Let's see the demo.
Absolutely. So customer's journey starts with our security ETL. You just go into your favorite sources, paste in an API key, and you're all set. Whether it's vulnerabilities, whether it's your assets from the cloud, we can pull it all in and we make sure we get all of that raw data. Once that data starts flowing into Snowflake, you get self-serve analytics. We have out-of-the-box dashboards that can give you visibility into SLA breaches, the different kinds of issues, to custom dashboards that we've built for our customers where, hey, what are the blind spots in my environment and how do I rectify or remediate these issues? What's amazing is that we've made it so that it's self-serve analytics. You don't have to know SQL. If you don't know SQL, it's as easy as just click, 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 build a chart. Or if you're a power user, don't worry. You can use fully compliant Snowflake SQL on our platform to build whatever charts you want. It's about getting those security insights in a matter of minutes. And where we're going with this is soon enough, we're going to have this deployed as a native application on Snowflake so that customers can get started in a matter of minutes, easy deployment, and get insights right away.
So that's pretty amazing. Tell me more about, you mentioned early on that you moved to a connected app, right? How does the architecture change when you have a Snowflake native app?
So how the architecture changes is that with the native application, all the compute runs in the native application. And from a customer standpoint, they don't have to deal with procurement. It's as easy as going to an app store, hitting a button, and boom, you're ready to go.
Beautiful. So tell me more about how you're using generative AI in your platform today.
Absolutely. So if you don't mind, I'll start with an analogy. Let's say that you have some jewelry at home and you have so many assets, be it digital assets, your banking, your cards, your home, wherever you're living. You need a way of saying that, hey, my home is a very critical asset. That's what I like to call business context. The second aspect is, let's say that you left your door unlocked. From a predictability or exploitability standpoint, can I look at past data and say, hey, have there been any home break-ins lately? And if there have been, I can say that, hey, there's a high chance you will be exploited. But what if you had a front gate in front of that door? Well, if that gate's locked, no one's getting in. So it's not just business context and exploitability or predictability. You need something else, reachability. And we're taking all three of these concepts and bringing it together on our platform. So for example, we're pulling in vulnerabilities from all of your sources. In my environment, I have CrowdStrike, which is vulnerability scanning and intrusion detection. I have Tenable for vulnerability management and Prisma Cloud for my cloud. And so let's say that I'm dealing with vulnerabilities. I have 65,000 issues in my environment. I can do simple things like what's in production. Let me look at just my host vulnerabilities. How much of it is patchable? How much is exploitable? How much is trending on Twitter? This is good. I brought 60,000 down to 347, but can we do better? And this is my favorite feature. This is the power of taking different data sources from different silos, putting them together and saying, if I have a host vulnerability, can I look at any incidents that happened in my environment and see what's going on? And boom, I'm down to 2 issues. These are the 2 things that my team should worry about. And we give you everything. We capture all of that raw JSON for you so that you have all of the data. And we also triangulate this information across your different sources and give you all of that raw data and normalize it all for you. And so where we're going with this is it's those 3 pillars of business context, predictability, reachability, taking the 3, building a decision tree to help teams triage, and then building our AI and ML models on top of it, because eventually the experience should be like a black box. You come in and it's like, what are the 3 things that I need to fix? Think of a credit score. And let me show you a quick example. Like if you have a credit score, your credit score is about what is the behavior. You see, you go buy something expensive. That doesn't make you bad. But in the security world, a lot of risk scoring products basically are like, well, there's a new 0-day vulnerability. Your score just goes down overnight. But if you can stay on top of your work and you get things done on time, hell, you should be rewarded. That's how we're thinking about this. So taking this data, helping you understand what are the 3 most important things to fix and how can you stay on top of your credit or your security behavior score or your security control effectiveness.
I love that. And this platform that you've built is incredibly powerful. And it seems like you are really ingesting a tremendous amount of data that's all powered and built on Snowflake.
Daniel, thank you for having me. It was an absolute pleasure talking about how Dassana and Snowflake have built something powerful and game-changing.
Parth, could not agree more. It's been great learning all about how you're bringing the world of generative AI to the world of cloud security. And you've built this entire platform powered by Snowflake. Folks, this interview is out live right now on YouTube. Go check it out.